Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to you all on APSEX online sport program. I am your teacher Nasrin Sir, taking your subject integrated studies, and I am from Army Public School, Faisal. Now let's have a look what we are going to study today. As you already know, your textbook name is Stepping Stone. Today's pages are 31 to 33. Your chapter is plants, and today's topic is parts of a plant. Resources required, either it can be laptop, computer or your cell phone. So introduction is, today we will learn about major parts of a plant and types of leaves. So what is the objective of the today? Students will be able to identify major parts of a plant. Before starting next topic, we will quickly recap our previous lesson so you can recall your lesson. So here comes your first question. What is a tree? Yes, just recall your previous lesson and tell me the answer. Tree is a big plant. Very nice. Yes guys. Now comes your second question. What are shrubs and herbs? Yes, you know about big and small plants. So shrubs and herbs are small plants. So get ready for the next question. What is the difference between flowering and non-flowering plants? Okay, quickly recall your lesson and tell me the answer. Flowering plants produce flowers and seeds, while non-flowering plants do not produce flowers and seeds. They produce spores instead of seeds. Very good students. Now we can move to the next topic. Yes, look at the picture. This picture is showing you the basic parts of a plant. You have also learned in grade 1 about the parts of a plant. So we are going to recall them: root, leaf, bud, flower and stem. So all these are called the basic part of a plant. So what are the basic parts of a plant? The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now we'll discuss their functions as well. So first is root. What is the function of a root? Takes in water from the soil. All of you know this part is under the ground and it takes the water from the soil. Yes, leaf. What's the color of the leaf? Mostly green. And what is the function of it? Makes food for the plants. Wow. So he's going to make the food for the plants? Leaf. Now your next part is stem. So what is the function of the stem? Bears leaves and flowers, supplies water and food from one part to another. So he is going to supply the water and food. Stem. Fruit. You like the fruits? Yes. We like the fruits because they keep us healthy. So what they have? They bear seeds. All of you observed that. When you eat the fruit, what comes out? Seeds. So here comes a very beautiful part of a plant which is most colorful. Yes, what is the function of that part? That is a flower. But it produces fruits. It means the flower becomes fruits. Wow, good. Bird. Okay, what is the function of a bird? Bird opens and becomes flower. Wow. So it means we get the flowers from the birds. Now we'll discuss the types of leaves. See these leaves, are they similar in the shape? Are they? No. See all these leaves, they are not same. So according to their shape, we have two types of leaves. One are called simple leaf, other ones are called compound leaf. Okay, now just see the structure of a leaf. Now these margins are called plate. Okay, and this whole part is called lamina. Okay, and this is called the leaf stalk, from where you hold the leaf. Okay, now we'll study the difference between the two. A simple leaf has only one blade. Can you see the blade? This is the margin, it has a one blade. Now see, it is going to become from many leaves. There are too many leaves. Wow, what these leaves are called? Leaflets. So all these leaflets make one whole leaf, which is called the compound leaf. So a compound leaf has many small leaves that make up a whole leaf. Okay, very good. Now what can you see in the picture? Too many tasty fruits, juicy fruits. Wow, how colorful they are. So what they are going to have inside them? Can you see? Can you see the seeds inside them? Okay, so we discuss fruits and seeds. Now see, the flower becomes fruit. As I have told you earlier, the flower becomes fruit. Okay, can you see these fruits? What they are having inside them? Just see what these things are called. The black in papaya. Wow, red. So all these are called seeds. So what we have inside the fruit? We have the seeds, and seeds become a new plant. You know that we just sow a seed and it becomes a new plant. Most of the plants grow from seeds. As you can see in this picture, we just put a seed in under the ground, we sow the seed, and then it changes into a plant. Okay, so what a plant needs to grow? All of you know it needs soil and water and sunlight also. So that was all for today. So we will recap our today's lesson. What you have learned? Can you recall it? What you have learned today? Yes. So we are going to have a quick recap of all that what we have learned, so we can easily memorize it. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Very good. So there are two types of leaves. Just recall what they are. The first one is simple leaf and the other one is compound leaf. Okay, now flowers grown into fruits, and what the seed becomes? A seed becomes a new plant. Yes, students, now you need to read all the pages which I have told you, so you can learn the lesson and you can understand it very easily. Okay, I hope you liked the video and you learned all that very well. Thank you. Keep smiling. Have a good day.